back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Jasenia, and in this occasion I'll be showing you how to make beef and broccoli right at home. And it's quick and easy. It's going to take the ingredients that you probably already have at home, which is 1 pound to 1.5 pounds of beef thinly sliced, or thinly sliced steak works as well, cut up in squares. And then you're going to need a 12-ounce bag of broccoli florets. You're going to need 1/4 cup of sesame oil, and then 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, and just 1 teaspoon of Maggi seasoning. If you don't have the Maggi seasoning, it's okay to omit that. And then here I have brown sugar, then garlic, minced garlic, and cornstarch, black pepper, and green onions. So I'll be leaving all of this information down below. So besides the ingredients here, I'm just going to need a little bit of oil set on my pan to go ahead and saute the steak. But I will be starting off by adding the florets in to cook with a little bit of water. So let's get started. Okay, so I took 2/3 cup of water and I set it to medium-high heat. I'm just incorporating my broccoli florets to go ahead and steam a little bit. And we'll go ahead and close that lid to get this to steam up pretty well before proceeding to the next step. Okay, I steamed my broccoli for just about 5 minutes, so I'm ready to go ahead and remove. And then I'll be adding in that beef and the sauces next. This makes a great dish, just on a quick dinner to make right at home. But for other ideas, other recipes and cooking ideas, I do have others listed within this YouTube channel, as well as goodies. I have cookies listed, so there's something for everyone. So just go ahead and remove this water and then add in the vegetable oil along with my beef and everything else. I'm just adding some oil to my pot here, and these are the Drew Barrymore pots from Walmart that I recently purchased. They do not stick and they work very well. So the link is in bio on my TikTok account under JaseniaV89. Be sure to check that out. That's the link that'll take you directly to the Walmart site where this product was obtained. And the entire set was only $129. I'm just going to go ahead and move it around to cook thoroughly on each side, and it should start looking something like this. And then I'll be adding in the ingredients to give us additional flavor. Okay, my broccoli is ready to have the rest of the ingredients added, so I'll be adding in 3/4 cup of water. One-4 cup of sesame oil. And 1 teaspoon of jugo maggi. And it's really good seasoner. And then 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. It can be the reduced sodium or regular. I am using the regular. And then I'm adding in the tablespoon of garlic, tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 green onion, just 1 piece of it, and then of course the brown sugar, and this is just 1/4 cup. So I'm just going to give this a mix before adding it all in. Stir a little to get all of the flavor and incorporated. Okay, so a minute into sauteing all my ingredients here. I'm just going to continue to stir and add in my broccoli florets now. And on the side I have some rice cooking as well. That's what I'll pair it with. Shrimp fried rice soon. By itself it tastes good, but then if you add in the chicken and the shrimp, it tastes even better. You can't really go wrong with that. So just go ahead and continue to stir around to get all of the flavors incorporated, and this is what it should start looking like. Okay, I'm just going to cover and then it'll be ready. Okay guys, so I just cooked for additional 5 minutes. I don't like my broccoli too mushy, so this is perfect point for me. I'm going to go ahead and serve it. Okay guys, so our beef and broccoli is ready to go ahead and serve. And it's a crowd pleaser by far, so be sure to try out this recipe. Alright, so this is what it turned out like. It smells good, and I bet it tastes even better. And there you have it guys, a quick weeknight or weekend meal idea that you can perfectly pair with white rice or the fried rice. Mixed vegetables, green beans, you name it, possibilities are endless. So I'll be pairing mine with white rice here soon as it is ready to go ahead and serve. So I thank you guys very much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe to this growing family. Turn that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.